Today I'm going to be sharing with you the easy welding machine from ANDELI, the multi-process welding inverter that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course I'll be more than glad to share my own opinion, hands-on experience, and a couple of features from the many that this one has to deliver. Of course, we have the MIG, the HF TIG, the MMA, HF cut, and all the heads are provided to you with all the wiring that you need in order to perform any type of job using the metal and eventually the inverter, a welding machine, a plasma cutter, and of course everything that you need all in one in order to perform a work. No matter if you're renewing your household or eventually working in construction and you need to make the job done, and you don't need those multiple machines in order to do so, because eventually you have one. Of course, with the side in order to open, to insert the wiring that you need in order to perform that work. And of course, depending on the situation and metal, you're going to be able to easily adjust the wiring because you may easily connect an air compressor or gas to it. Of course, depending on the tool that you're going to be working with. In the front, we have the control panel. The control panel is covered by a plastic, so basically you're going to be able to easily protect it from splits or eventually different kind of debris that goes to that. And of course, the display is showing you precisely what are you working with in order to adjust, to switch for all those modes that you need. And of course, the front of the machine will give you the mobility to switch all your heads, and of course the negative from one to another in order to bind together. Of course, for that, you're going to have the instruction right on the door. Basically on the door, you're going to see the connection that you need to make in order to use every head in particular. So basically, if you have the plasma cutter, you are connected to gas, you have the ground already connected to the metal, you're going to be able to easily start cutting that. The Flux cord welder is super easy to use as well. Eventually, on the control panel, you have to adjust to that in order to get to that function, in order to start working. And as I told you, eventually you're going to have to switch the ground to another source because in the front we have three of them that you need to adjust to every head in particular. So basically now that you want to weld something, you're going to be able to easily do so because you have the connectivity already to that in order to start welding. Of course, right here I have the special tool for that. So basically you need to cover your eyes every time you are performing a job like that. Unfortunately for the TIG torch, I don't have the electrode right now, but eventually in the set you have everything that you need in order to bind that connection. Basically some spare parts that you're going to use for all the connectivity, gas connectivity, the TIG torch, because all of that came disassembled. I just put it together. So basically whatever you need to do, you have all the parts inside. Now, of course, for another electrode, of course, I have the connection because I also have the electrodes in order to show you how it works. So basically the spare parts are very handy, especially if you're working a lot with this welder machine. And of course, you need to fix it or change those parts, like some parts for the plasma cutter or eventually for the different type of welder that you're gonna switch inside the parts in order to make it work. Now, of course, the MMA DCEP, which eventually I'm gonna connect, looking at the instruction on the door on how to bind it and connect it. Of course, for that, I'm gonna need the first line in order to bind. I'm going to show you precisely that I'm just switching right here in order to connect. And eventually the ground is already connected to this part. So in order to make it work, I'm just going to use the electrode in order to weld again afterwards, because I show you that the wired welder works perfectly. Now eventually I'm going to switch to this one. Perfect. what I would like to mention, that this one is a multifunctional welding machine that combines everything that you need in order to perform a work. Once again, no matter if you're doing construction, if you're doing renewal at home, you need to weld pipes, you need to cut the pipes. Eventually with the plasma cutter will be much easier to do so. And of course with all the welding features of this one, because you're going to be able to easily do aluminum, metal, and many more other metals depending on your needs in order to adjust the machine to that. And of course, because this one is portable, you can easily take it with you to a gig. Of course, can be easily binded with 220 or 110 because it comes already with an inverter inside. So basically, no matter how you're going to connect it, you're going to have a performance that you're going to do at work using a welder on a whole different level. If you guys need a welding machine, the welding multifunctional machine from ANDELI is definitely a recommendation from me.